How to bid. You must register in order to submit an offer or to place bids. To register, go to your profile. Click on Register to Bid. Enter your credit card details. And that's it. Once your card is verified, you're all set to start bidding on your favorite watches. Auctions. Click on Buy a Watch. Use the filters to narrow down by listing, type, brand, model, price, and more. Once you find a watch you're interested in, view the listing and click Place Bid to enter the offer. Sniping protection. If a bid is placed in the final moments, the auction clock will extend by 2 minutes. The auction ends only after 2 full minutes have passed with no new bids. Important notes. Bids are binding for 24 hours or until you're outbid. A 5% buy fee applies, minimum $250, maximum $5,000. You'll receive a notification if you're outbid or if you win. Now that you know the steps, you're ready to start bidding with confidence. Discover your next dream watch on Grailzee.